Hi everybody, welcome to our Facebook page. Take a long tissue paper, fold it from one corner and start twisting it. Look how we are doing here. Fold it and twist it, and then we're going to roll it finally, and you'll get a beautiful rose flower. Color it like we're doing here. Make more such beautiful flowers and put all of them inside it. Then we're going to draw the leaves. Also we are covering it using tissue papers like this, and it's done. Cut a tree trunk and paste it on a sheet of paper. Now the fun part, paste all these colorful strips of craft paper around the trunk. Now curl all of them one after another and paste it like we're doing here, and make a beautiful tree crown. And look, your artwork is ready. Let's make this beautiful artwork. So paste double-sided tape on the shape of hen. Now cover it using this grass. Paste eyes and its legs, and look, your hen is ready. We are making the cheeks using peanut shell. Paste all of them together and it's ready. We're going to make this beautiful peacock. So take a tissue paper, color it and make small pieces of it. Now make the body of the peacock using this clay. After this we are going to dab all the tissue paper inside it using a toothpick, and look, your peacock is ready. Add more details like draw its legs and it's done. Draw the grass using this toothbrush, spread it like this, and look, it's done. Now cut the accurate, color it. We're making mushrooms here. You can make colorful mushrooms like yellow, blue like we're doing here. Add more details and it's done. Let's make this colorful peacock using clay. So first spread this blue clay and make the body of the peacock. Let's make its colorful feathers. Now spread all these colorful clays and look, it is ready. Add more details like paste its eyes, its beak, and look, it is ready. We're going to make colorful hot air balloon using clay. So spread all the clay together and it's ready. Make lines and make the basket. Paste all of them and it's done. Tie these bunch of earbuds together using rubber band. Put color on it and dab all of them on the sheet of paper. We are putting yellow and red color together. We are making a beautiful artwork, and draw the tree trunk, and look, your artwork is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.